got so much motherfucking design on right now.
Break it down, bring it back, make it clap. 3 old thoughts, new guap. You heard that damn bitches on my line, and you know they
come. Oh, thought about it. Come on. Right now it's out here today. That's like pause. Hold on. Woo! Oh shit! Damn! Somebody, please. This ain't the pace lap Daytona. Somebody got to go. Is it gonna be you? Is it gonna be you? I said Pikachu. My dumb ass. But it ain't gonna be him. It ain't gonna be him. It's gonna be. Yup. Nope. Please let me white line it. Please. Let me white line the big body. Come on. Somebody gotta be nice enough. Somebody gotta be nice enough. Somebody gotta be nice enough. Thank you. Itching to white line this bitch. I can't believe I'm cutting up in this big ass shit. You ain't gonna let me. You ain't gonna be nice. You ain't gonna be nice. You ain't gonna be nice. Be nice. Play game. Play game. Play game. Play game. Play the fucking. Come on. Somebody gotta move. One of y'all hoes gonna give up. Yep. Oh, God damn it. That's some bullshit. Fucking hand slip. I ain't even counting that shit. That was fucking human error. Yeah, shit to do with the game. That shit don't really don't even fucking count. That was a ballsy one. That was fucking ballsy. Hey, I'm already halfway in your lane, bro. You might as well just go ahead and let me over. Free. Fucking free. Free 90. Damn. Thought I was done. Who are you, a bitch? Fuck that. Oh, shit. Come on, bus. Just tap the brake. Please tap the brake. Come on. Oh, sweet baby Jesus. Oh, shit. God damn, I'm sweating. Oh, fuck that. Damn. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. How you mama do? How you mama do? Fuck that. Shit. I can't go nowhere. I can't go nowhere. Oh! This big ass Escalade is not meant to be doing this shit. God damn, it's fucking hot. Shit. damn, that's on me. That's on me. That's on me. I won't pay attention. Somebody move. Somebody move. Somebody move. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate you, good. Clout cut. Come on now. What you way over there for? You going slow as fuck. Look, it's slow as hell, medium slow as hell, medium fast, and fast as fuck. Get it right. Don't play with it. Don't play with it. Oh, Wu-Tang with it. God damn. Oh shit! Damn, this Escalade ain't built for this shit. God damn! I need a breather. Hold on. Give me a second. It is. I need to turn the heat off. All right. Come on now. Somebody got to give it up. Hey bro. Hey bro. Slide it over. Slide it over. Slide that shit. You hell no. Fuck that shit. Oh damn. Oh fuck, this shit is fucking hilarious. Damn. It's fucking crazy. Come up off that left lane, brother. Come on now. Come on. Give me the room. I appreciate you giving me the room. I appreciate you. I appreciate y'all. Come on now. Come on now. Come on now. Reach. Come up off it. You know what? I'm about to fuck around and do some fuck shit if I get the room over there. I'm gonna fuck around with the fuck around. You keep fucking with me. That's a whole lot of fucking to be doing. Come on now. I don't give a fuck. Let me end this. I runs this. Nope. Fuck you thought you was going back though. Drive, bitch. Fuck that. Nope. Hell no. Got me fucked up on a Tuesday afternoon, boy. God damn. Shit. Oh my god. Who can't drive? Tell me who can't drive up here. I'd love to know. Damn. Nope. 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 Oh, you want to be a hoe? Alright, bet. I got one better. Fuck out my face. Granny better not be crossing the street. She get ass ran the fuck over out here. I ain't gonna make that. I ain't gonna make that. I ain't gonna make that. Matter of fact, y'all work with me. Come on, work with me. Work with me. Appreciate you. Come on now. Come on. Come on. Come on. Hey. No. Let me talk to you. Let me talk to you. Thank you. Hell. Got me fucked up. Matter of fact, I need to hit that right. Come up off it. Come up off it. Come up off it. Come up off that lane, brother. I got a big body for a reason. Off that lane. That's my lane. I claim that. Yeah, look at you. Looking all stupid back there. Dumbass. Bitch looking stupid as fuck. Look at her. She all proper. No, she can't see with that damn steering wheel. Homeboy, the Audi back there looking all fucked up. Like, this nigga really just fucking cut me off. Ooh, they cooking up a swarm in that bitch. What you talking about? Go! Drive your ass. Damn. That's some shit. Alright, one of y'all gonna have to do the cha-cha slide about this way. So I can take my ass to the motherfucking gas station. That's what we gon' do. Yeah. I know your sugar daddy bought you that BMW. Bought you that bitch brand new. That motherfucker got 3 check engine lights. 3. TPMS written all over that hoe. Damn. Alright. That's gonna do it. That's gonna fucking do it. Shit. I'm fucking hot, sweat. That was intense. Fuck that shit.